Lob Everest constitute a 3.3 kilometer of extended state line. Within the same OBE, we have Zabayo, spanning between Stadium Road and Ekenwa Road, and that project is 0.74 kilometers. Within the same OBE, we have Akenzua, spanning between Airport Road and Plymouth Road, and that project is 1.2 kilometers. Within the same OBE, we have the Oba Stadium, which is approximately 1 kilometer. Within this OBE, we have the Plymouth, which is spanning 1.5 kilometers. Within this OBE, we have the Oba Market, which is spanning 1.2 kilometers. Within this OBE, we have the Inner Ring Road, which is 0.620 kilometers. And of course, the Outer Ring Road, which is 0.73 kilometers. All making a total of 9.607 kilometers. In fact, approximately 10 kilometers of street-light extension in the coverage of OBE. This is an unusual benefit to the society.
First, you have to realize that we have our strongest vigilante network in the states, in this area. And they have maintained the security up to now, even in the dark. So with the illumination of this street and this area, it will just make their work much easier, and they will be able to ensure that they secure this environment even better. But more importantly, we'll be able to clean up this commercial street and this area. But as you can see how filthy it is. So after trading hours, when the workers or the traders are all gone, there will be enough light and illumination for the street cleaners, for the sweepers to now come in to clean up the streets ahead of business the next day. I think for me, this is what politics should be about. It should be about service. It should be about bringing happiness and joy to the people who elected you to serve them. The greatest joy a leader can and should have is to see happiness, safety and security of the people who govern. That, I hope, is the new culture we are trying to introduce into politics and leadership in Edo State. When your people elect you to serve, they didn't elect you to serve yourself. They elected you to serve them, to provide services for them, so that they can go about their legitimate activities. And the fact that our people are responding to our initiatives perhaps is the greatest fulfillment one can ever have. And it just serves as an encouragement, as a spur for us to do much more. So I'm committing myself today that between now and when I leave office, I'm going to dedicate all my time and energy and intellect to make sure that I give everything I can to the people of Edo State. It will make a few people uncomfortable. I know some people are unhappy that the limited resources we have is not being shared, but I'm sorry, there's nothing we can do about it. We don't have enough. The little we have to make sure that we utilize efficiently for the benefits of our people, particularly the downtrodden, the weak, and the vulnerable.